go ahead and get yourselves comfortable. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Another deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. A third deep breath in and hold it. And let it go. Now just breathing comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathing comfortably, and just imagine that with each breath you take in, you breathe in relaxation and positive energy. Go ahead and imagine a healing light of whatever color you like surrounding your body, so that with each breath you take in, your lungs comfortably draw in that healing light, allowing it to flow through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. Imagine a healing shower flowing down, crystal clear water that's a perfect temperature as it flows over the top of your head, soothing and relaxing your scalp, washing away fear, doubt, anxiety, washing away anger, sadness, guilt, shame, washing away pain, frustration, disappointment, embarrassment, washing these away to reveal the light that you truly are, this unique expression of divine light and love, allowing more and more of that light to be revealed as that healing shower flows over your forehead, relaxing the muscles in your face, flowing down over the back of your head, your neck, your shoulders, washing away tension, leaving your shoulders calm, comfortable, and relaxed. Healing shower flowing down your arms, all the way down over your fingertips, down over your chest and your stomach, soothing and relaxing, healing and cleansing, and allowing yourself to remain comfortably in whatever position you choose. Allow that healing shower to flow down over your upper and lower back. And as your torso relaxes, your internal organs comfortably do whatever they need to do to achieve and maintain your optimal level of health and well-being in body, mind, and spirit. As that healing shower continues down over your body, down over your hips and your thighs, over your knees, down your lower legs, through your ankles, into your feet. And finally, that relaxation flows over your toes as you allow yourself to relax twice as much, going at least twice as deep with each number as I count backwards. 5, drifting down to 4, floating down to 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. Deeper, deeper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. And in this calm, comfortable state of mind and body, go ahead and imagine yourself in some beautiful place. Some place where you allow yourself to be present to the beauty, the magnificence, the abundance of creation. And as you look around, you might notice that there are some places where there is some darkness. And notice that there may be old patterns, old messages, old programming about cursing the darkness, how it happened. And notice that as you do so, it dims your own light. And allow yourself to take a moment and be absolutely compassionate with that part of you that dims your light sometimes, either by feeling uncomfortable emotions or by not feeling energized, not feeling motivated. allowing yourself to recognize that old programming has told you that it's somehow safer or appropriate or justified to dim your light. You don't need to judge that. Just allowing yourself to be curious about it. And looking at these places where there might be darkness and recognizing that darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. And giving yourself permission to be the light. Again, allowing yourself to be curious about any old reasons why you couldn't or shouldn't be the light, why you couldn't or shouldn't feel peace, why you couldn't or shouldn't feel motivated and energized. Knowing that your light can make such a difference in the world. Just noticing that there are parts of you that say it's not safe to feel that, or it's not appropriate. And allowing yourself to be open to the possibility that those might be misunderstandings. And allowing yourself to see all the possible benefits of being the light. Allowing yourself to release what doesn't feel like light. Giving yourself permission to release the heaviness, the discomfort, the pain from the past, so that you can become more and more aware of the light that really is your true essence. Allowing yourself to look around in this beautiful place and allow yourself to know that you are the light, even allowing yourself to stand in this beautiful place and imagine saying, I am the light, and allow that light to radiate, clearing out the darkness, doing even more good in the world. Not just because you should, but allow yourself to notice that it feels really good to do that. Even though we've been programmed to think that getting angry feels somehow good and justified. It's not wrong. But allowing yourself what might be an even greater feeling, that feeling of peace and love, and that feeling of sharing that peace and love with the world. And allowing yourself to trust that you can handle it. Allowing yourself to feel that it is safe to be the light. To have the energy, to have the motivation to be the light. Allowing yourself to radiate even more across the world. Let's go even deeper now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is deep sleep. In a moment, I'll count you back out from 0 up to 5. 5 will be wide awake, alert, focused, and energetic, feeling much better than before. Feeling a much greater freedom to acknowledge the light and the energy inside of you and to share that with the world. For the benefit of countless others, and even more importantly, for your own benefit, because it feels so good. Tonight, when you choose to go to sleep, don't be surprised when you fall asleep quickly, soundly, deeply, and sleep very well through the night. During the night, you'll dream. The more you dream, the stronger you become. I'm going to ask your unconscious mind to allow at least one of your dreams to be a very healing dream. Continuing this healing process in body, mind, and spirit so that in the morning, at the time you've chosen to wake up, you wake up easily, feeling refreshed, energetic, and ready to start the day again, powerfully moving forward into an ever more joyful experience of an ever greater abundance of health, wealth, happiness, and love, which are your birthright and which benefit others. Now I go back down to 0, which is always deep sleep, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to digest all these positive thoughts and images, taking them in at a very deep level, so that these positive changes occur easily, effortlessly, and naturally. Coming up to 1, feeling physically relaxed. 2, feeling emotionally calm and confident. 3, health and well-being, enthusiasm, love, joy, and gratitude flowing through every muscle, nerve, fiber, tissue, cell, and atom of your body. 4, becoming more and more alert and aware of your surroundings. And 5 is eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, eyes open, wide awake. And welcome back.